All right, we're going to kick off our birthday list this morning for the 23rd of March with Spencer Creets, turning 6 years old. What a cutie there in Pittsburgh.
And we have Abby York in Weir, Kansas, turning 12 years old today. Happy birthday, Abby.
Nice catch there, Abby. Jasmine Camp, welcome to the teenage years there. 13 for Jasmine. Oh, Daniel's got it in for him. That is the daughter of our KOM operations supervisor, Daniel Camp. They live in Pittsburgh.
And Noah Price is 13 years old, and that is Jesse Williams' nephew. So happy birthday, Noah.
All right, and of course, so Jesse Williams is celebrating there. On the right, Jesse is 35. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, they share the same
Aunt and
birthday.
nephew sharing the same birthday.
And Riverton, Kansas, we have Megan Hill turning 34 years old today. Happy birthday, Megan. Looking good there.
That's a great picture of Megan. Joyce Bates, great picture of Joyce, turning 69 in Arma. Happy birthday, Joyce.
And we have some anniversaries. We have Scott and Shirley Honchell, 44 years in Carthage, Missouri. Happy anniversary to you both today.
And it's our man, Gary and Desma Cisco's 10th anniversary. Gary is our technical media operator, one of our directors here at KOAM. They are celebrating their 10th anniversary, living in Baxter Springs. All right, if you have a birthday or an anniversary, you can send them to this email. It's easy to do. Don't forget the S on it, though. birthdays@KOAMnewsnow.com.
And also, don't forget that you can join the KOAM Birthday Club, and you can do that by going to our website and signing up. And you get all the details and special deals from local businesses. Just go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club, and do that today.